The skies have cleared out across the country at the end of the work week, allowing for a sunny Friday, except in the northeast where we have mostly cloudy weather with that high still pushing in moisture over that part of South Africa. We're expecting dry conditions overnight though, with a sunny forecast, particularly over the central part of South Africa on Saturday, and a bit of cloud still expected in the northeast, but with mostly cloudy weather and a slight chance of rainfall along the south coast of the Western Cape as a weak cold front passes just to the south of us, as well as a ridging high producing an onshore flow. Along the east coast, you'll see a coastal low, and that brings in a hot day over parts of KZN and the Lowveld on Saturday. Overnight, we're expecting dry conditions across South Africa. That also means dry roads if you're heading out on a weekend getaway. Our Metrovision in Johannesburg shows a minimum temperature of 6 degrees with clear conditions and a light to moderate northerly wind. Tomorrow, we're expecting quite a windy day with a west-northwesterly wind of up to 30 kilometers per hour, with a mild Saturday with a high of 23 degrees and a bit of clouds still remaining over Johannesburg. On our wind map, you'll see windy conditions for the northwest, Free State and parts of the Northern Cape on Friday afternoon, with that strong northeasterly wind along the east coast turning to the southwest as we head into Saturday, and we have that southerly onshore flow bringing in mostly cloudy weather along the Western Cape coast and a slight possibility of rainfall with it. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum of 8 degrees for Pietermaritzburg and Pretoria, 10 for Bombela, as well as along the Eastern Cape coast, with Sutherland and Graaff-Reinet still dropping below 0, 9 for Cape Town with a minimum of 5 degrees for Vredendal and Uppington. We're expecting a warm afternoon for parts of KZN and the Lowveld, 27 for Bombela, 30 degrees for Richards Bay, with daytime highs also heading into the mid-20s for Mahikeng, Pretoria and Polokwane. Mild though as we head into the Free State with maximums in the low 20s, and a cool forecast for the Western Cape with highs of around 17 degrees, with East London and R both warming up to 20. Our extended forecast takes us into Sunday, where we have a sunny forecast for a large portion of South Africa. Still a bit of cloud in the northeast, but with a warm day for Gauteng and slightly cooler weather for Polokwane and Bombela. And we're expecting partly cloudy conditions along the east coast. On Monday, though, we'll see sunny and warm weather return to KZN, with those daytime highs also starting to warm up over the northeastern part of the country, and a bit of cloud expected along the southern and western coastline.
News that moves. eNCA.com.